Welcome to another exciting journey in the world of health and well-being. Before we dive into today's enlightening topic, I'd like to request a small favor from you. If you find the information we share valuable and inspiring, please take a moment to subscribe to Healthism. Your subscription means the world to us, and it's your support that allows us to continue bringing you the latest insights on living a healthier, happier life. So, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Now, let's embark on today's adventure. Despite their name, water chestnuts aren't nuts at all. They're aquatic tuber vegetables that flourish in marshes, ponds, paddy fields, and shallow lakes. These crisp, white-fleshed gems, native to Southeast Asia, southern China, Taiwan, Australia, Africa, and numerous islands in the Indian and Pacific Oceans, have been cherished for centuries for their unique taste and impressive nutritional profile. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll delve into the fascinating world of water chestnuts, uncovering their cultural significance, history, and the surprising health benefits they offer. From being a rich source of nutrients to aiding in weight management, these aquatic wonders are much more than just a crunchy addition to Asian dishes. Water chestnuts have played an integral role in the cuisines and traditional medicine of various cultures, particularly in China and India. These regions have cherished water chestnuts for their versatile culinary uses and the unique flavor they impart to dishes. Additionally, these aquatic treasures have found their place in cultural rituals and symbolism, often associated with auspicious occasions and festive celebrations. A 100-gram serving of raw water chestnuts provides an array of essential nutrients while being remarkably low in calories. They contain only 97 calories, making them a perfect choice for those aiming to manage their calorie intake. With a carbohydrate content of 23.9 grams and dietary fiber providing 3 grams per serving, water chestnuts contribute to a sense of fullness. Moreover, they are abundant in potassium, manganese, copper, vitamin B6, and riboflavin. This nutritional profile makes them a standout food for those looking to balance their calorie intake and boost their nutrient intake. Water chestnuts are rich in antioxidants, including ferulic acid, gallocatechin gallate, epicatechin gallate, and catechin gallate. These antioxidants help protect the body against harmful molecules called free radicals, which, when accumulated, can lead to oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is linked to several chronic diseases, such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and various cancers. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in water chestnuts can effectively neutralize free radicals, aiding in the prevention of chronic diseases. Water chestnuts have a history of being used to treat high blood pressure. This is attributed to their high potassium content. Potassium is known to play a pivotal role in regulating blood pressure. Numerous studies have connected potassium-rich diets with reduced risks of heart disease, particularly related to high blood pressure. The consumption of potassium has been shown to lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, ultimately reducing the risk of stroke. Water chestnuts are classified as high-volume foods, which means they contain a significant amount of water or air and are low in calories. Their water content, accounting for 74% of their composition, makes them an excellent choice for those looking to control their calorie intake. High-volume foods are known for their ability to provide a sense of fullness, effectively curbing hunger. By incorporating water chestnuts into your diet, you can stay satisfied for longer while consuming fewer calories, making them a valuable addition to weight management strategies. The high levels of ferulic acid, a potent antioxidant found in water chestnuts, are believed to have anti-cancer properties. Ferulic acid has been linked to a reduced risk of several types of cancer. Test tube studies have shown its effectiveness in suppressing the growth of cancer cells, such as breast, skin, thyroid, lung, and bone cancer cells. Antioxidants like ferulic acid are known for their ability to neutralize free radicals, which are often exploited by cancer cells for growth. While most research on water chestnuts and cancer is based on test tube studies, these findings offer promising avenues for further investigation. Water chestnuts are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in various forms, whether raw, boiled, fried, grilled, pickled, or candied. They are commonly featured in Asian dishes like stir-fries, omelets, chop suey, curries, and salads. Even after cooking, their flesh retains its crispness and crunchiness. Additionally, water chestnuts can be ground into a flour alternative due to their high starch content, serving as a natural thickener in various recipes. Water chestnuts are a nutritional powerhouse with a remarkable history and diverse culinary uses. Their impressive nutrient content, antioxidant properties, and potential health benefits make them an excellent addition to a well-balanced diet. Whether you're looking to manage your weight, regulate blood pressure, or simply enjoy a delicious and nutritious ingredient, water chestnuts are a versatile and valuable choice. Consider adding these aquatic wonders to your culinary repertoire to unlock their full potential and enhance your overall well-being.